of the battlefield. They have conquered more sectors. Hostile spotted at Bravo 1. Hostile activity at one of our objectives. We have captured all of Charlie sector.
Marking enemy healer, 200 meters.
Enemy just secured Bravo sector. American forces will take every sector if they are not stopped. Enemy has a tank! Whoa!
You don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet. I'm ostracized and traumatized by everything I'm not alright. I'm lost inside and anything I say you better listen up closely. Mostly, I'm the one and only, bring it home slowly, and your boy the trophy, patience is holy moly. I got a hating on me like Michael hates Toby, force like I'm Obi, you know the one Kenobi, force fed baloney, my homies just wanna rule the world, call me Mr. Steel Girl. Easy gave me the referral, now he's worried about a jail. Yeah, coming out strong, I've been here for a long time, started out online, finished off on time. They can call me crazy cause I rap like I got raped. I'm confident, not lazy, and I'm dominating lately. She want me like some pastries, I'ma give it to these ladies like I'm Hector in my 80s, still I'm pushing up daisies.
I'm friendly bird! Savvy!
Don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet. Wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard 6 feet. I can taste it, I'm fading, why am I still waiting? What are y'all debating? It's really irritating, you hear what I'm saying? Fear got him shaking, you won't ever find a victim like me. And to make you bite me, and you'll break him. Your teeth will be vacant, I don't need to be patient. And I breed entertainment from the streets, not the basement. Oh, see, I've been baking like your mama's casserole she makes me. I've turned on the radio when you hear some shit, your throat all slit.